I recently applied for a home loan. I was pretty confident that it will get approved. But to my surprise, it didn't. Even though my CIBIL score was above 750. Yeah. Herein lies a very interesting lesson in investment for all of us. Let's find out. But before that, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. A CIBIL score is a rating that's derived from your past payments and credit patterns. It tells the banker if you will be able to pay any future loans as well. However, a high CIBIL score may convince the banker to review your loan application, but a loan approval is not guaranteed. Before extending the loan, the bank asks this important question: what else should I look for in addition to a rating? The bank will further evaluate your loan repayment capacity on other factors such as your current income, outstanding debts, your borrowing history, and your credit mix balance. And that's why only an impressive CIBIL score may not be enough to get a loan approval. Similarly, when it comes to investing in top-rated equity funds, it is important to ask this question: what else should I look for in addition to a rating? A fund's rating can be very misleading because it only reflects its recent performance and not its stability over a period of time. But before you decide to invest, you must further evaluate the consistency of a fund's performance. With Scriptbox, you will be able to invest in funds that are stable and have delivered benchmark-beating growth consistently for a minimum period of 4 years. Scriptbox scientifically selects the best funds and eliminates the small funds, thereby focusing only on growth options that are tax efficient. To know more about investing in good quality equity funds, click on the link in the description. And before you go, do remember to subscribe, like, and share. Cheers.